If you want to make your CapCut project landscape, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch your video to a horizontal widescreen format in just a few taps. This is perfect if you're creating YouTube videos, tutorials, presentations, or any content that looks better in a standard landscape frame. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to edit. Once your project is open, look below the preview window for the Tools panel. You should see several editing options there. What you need to do now is tap the ratio icon. This is the setting that controls the aspect ratio of your video, which basically determines whether your video is vertical, square, or landscape. When you tap ratio, CapCut will show you a list of different frame sizes. From this list, select 16:9. This is the standard widescreen format used for landscape videos, especially on YouTube and other platforms that prefer horizontal playback. As soon as you choose 16:9, you'll notice your canvas change from a portrait layout to a landscape layout. Your video is now set to a horizontal frame. If your clip doesn't perfectly fill the screen after switching ratios, you may need to reposition or resize it slightly so it fits the new layout better. That way, your subject stays centered and your composition looks clean and professional. And that's really all there is to it. By tapping the ratio icon and selecting 16:9, you can make CapCut landscape in seconds. It's a simple change, but it makes a huge difference when you're creating content for YouTube or any widescreen platform. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut how-to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.